Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change delivery location for Uber Eats. And to do this, you'll need to click right here in the top left corner of your screen. Now enter new address in the pool right there. Select the address. And then you will need to adjust more options like a building number and flat or whatever settings are available right here. When it's ready, click on save and continue, and new address should be set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.